Nearly half of the refrigerators tracked in a recent Consumer Reports reliability study experienced some kind of problem. Ice makers and water dispensers were the two most commonly reported trouble areas. That means the feature salespeople demonstrate first may also become the feature that creates your first repair bill. Smart buyers understand this. They don't automatically buy the most expensive refrigerator or limit themselves to the fashionable French door layout. They compare simple top freezers, practical side-by-sides, space-saving bottom freezers, and carefully designed French door models. More importantly, they check whether local repair shops can get the parts. If you want to skip straight to the winners, check the video description below for the latest deals and availability on all our top-rated models. Let's begin with the 3 refrigerators careful buyers approach with caution. Number 3. Viking 5 Series Built-in Refrigerators. This is the luxury trap. Viking built-in refrigerators look serious. They have thick handles, professional styling, metal details, and the kind of presence that can make an ordinary kitchen look like a restaurant. Some models cost well into 5 figures before installation, cabinet work, delivery, or future repairs are included. At that price, many people naturally expect perfect reliability. Unfortunately, price and reliability don't always rise together. A major part of what you're paying for is the built-in appearance. These refrigerators are tall, heavy, and designed to sit almost flush with expensive cabinets. That creates a beautiful result, but it can also make installation and service more complicated. A technician may need extra time just to access the machine properly. Parts can also cost more than parts for a normal freestanding refrigerator. Even a repair that sounds simple may become expensive once specialized labor, heavy components, and premium brand pricing are involved. That doesn't mean every Viking refrigerator is bad. The problem is the value calculation. A refrigerator that costs several times more than a mainstream model should ideally deliver several times more peace of mind. In many homes, it does not. You may be paying for the badge, size, and professional appearance more than for a huge increase in lifespan. Who should still consider one? Someone building a luxury kitchen who understands the service costs, has access to an authorized technician, and cares deeply about the built-in design. For the average buyer who mainly wants dependable cooling, there are safer ways to spend the money. Number 2. LG French Doors with Craft Ice. LG has made some genuinely strong refrigerators, and its simpler counter-depth models deserve a fair look. The problem here is not every LG refrigerator. The warning is focused on models with the Craft Ice system, including the LRFVC2406S. Craft Ice sounds brilliant during a store demonstration. Instead of normal cubes, the refrigerator makes large round pieces designed for drinks. They melt slowly, look expensive, and make a glass of water feel like it came from a hotel bar. But ask yourself one question: how often do you really need round ice? The system requires more moving parts than a basic ice maker. It must fill a special mold, freeze the water, release the round pieces, and repeat the process without sticking or jamming. That is a lot of work to create a different shape. Even when the main refrigerator is cooling perfectly, the specialty ice maker can become an extra part that needs cleaning, resetting, troubleshooting, or service. This is a common refrigerator buying mistake. People choose the appliance based on a feature they notice for 30 seconds in the store, even though they'll live with the machine for many years. The rest of the refrigerator may offer useful features such as counter-depth body, smart controls, flexible shelves, and LG's InstaView door. But smart buyers separate the important features from the fun ones. Number 1. Samsung French Doors with Through-the-Door Ice. The biggest model to approach carefully is the Samsung RF27T5201SR and similar Samsung French door refrigerators with external ice dispensers. Samsung refrigerators are easy to like in a showroom. They often have clean designs, large interiors, bright lighting, smooth drawers, and prices that look competitive beside other major brands. The concern is the ice system. A through-the-door ice maker must keep a small ice compartment frozen while it sits inside the warmer refrigerator section. Each time the door opens, warm air and moisture can enter. Over time, frost may build up around the ice area. Ice can stick together, block movement, or stop dropping properly. Owners may respond by removing ice, defrosting the compartment, resetting the system, or arranging service. Even when the repair is covered, living without a working dispenser is frustrating. The problem is that not every Samsung refrigerator will fail. Plenty of owners use them without major trouble. The issue is risk. When a design has more seals, motors, water connections, and temperature changes, there are more things that can go wrong. Samsung's newer designs may improve over older generations, and its simpler models can be worth considering. But for the lowest possible risk, avoid putting the ice maker in the refrigerator door. Choose an internal water dispenser and a basic ice maker inside the freezer instead. It may look less exciting, but boring can be beautiful when an appliance is expected to run every hour of every day. Now let's move to the refrigerators that offer a smarter mix of performance, convenience, and value. Number 5. Whirlpool WRS321 SDHZ Side-by-Side Refrigerator. This 21.4 cubic foot Whirlpool is a practical choice for kitchens that cannot fit a full 36-inch French door refrigerator. At roughly 33 inches wide, it gives buyers a narrower option without moving down to a small apartment-size machine. The side-by-side layout keeps both refrigerated and frozen food at a convenient height. You don't need to bend down and dig through a deep freezer drawer every time you want frozen vegetables. It also includes adjustable door storage, a can caddy, an exterior water dispenser, and an automatic ice maker. Yes, the external dispenser creates more complexity than a completely basic refrigerator. That trade-off needs to be acknowledged. However, Whirlpool appliances are widely sold, and many independent repair technicians are familiar with their components and design. That service familiarity is the major reason this model makes the list. The narrow freezer is the biggest everyday drawback. Large frozen pizzas, wide containers, and party trays may be difficult to position. Families that freeze oversized items should inspect the shelves in person before ordering. This is not the best refrigerator for everyone. It is the useful choice for someone who wants a side-by-side layout, needs a 33-inch width, uses an external dispenser regularly, and values access to a large repair network. Number 4. GE Profile PGE 29BY TFS. This is what smart technology should look like. It adds convenience without placing a giant tablet on the front of the appliance. Its standout feature is the automatic water pitcher. The pitcher sits inside the refrigerator, fills itself, and gives you cold, filtered water without building a complicated dispenser into the outside door. That internal position helps keep the front clean and reduces the number of exposed parts being used all day. The refrigerator also has a flexible middle drawer with several temperature settings. You can use it for snacks, drinks, meat, or other items that need a different temperature from the main compartment. The bright rear light wall makes the shelves easier to see, and the large interior works well for families who store wide containers, meal prep boxes, and large grocery orders. Another advantage is GE's service network. GE appliances are widely sold, widely serviced, and familiar to many independent technicians. No brand is guaranteed to be easy to repair, but buying a common model can improve your chances of finding parts and qualified help. The main drawback is size. This is a full-depth refrigerator, so it may stick out farther than a counter-depth model. Measure the refrigerator opening, nearby walls, islands, and door swing before ordering. This is a strong choice for buyers who want useful smart features, family-friendly storage, and a brand with broad service coverage. Subscribe to Valid Consumer for more buying guides that help you avoid expensive mistakes before they enter your home. Number 3. Frigidaire LFTR 2045VF Top Freezer Refrigerator. Here's the model that proves smarter doesn't always mean more advanced. Energy Star says top freezer refrigerators generally use less energy than bottom freezer and side-by-side designs. It also says the most efficient refrigerator sizes are commonly between 16 and 20 cubic feet. This Frigidaire sits directly at the top of that range with 20 cubic feet of capacity. It fits into a space normally used by a smaller 18 cubic foot refrigerator, making it useful for older kitchens, rental properties, garages, and homes with a 30-inch opening. The even temp system is designed to move air throughout the cabinet and reduce warm spots. Inside, you get glass shelves, gallon-sized door storage, crisper drawers, and a full-width deli drawer. It's also garage-ready for temperatures between 45 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. That makes it useful as a secondary refrigerator in many climates. The ice maker is optional and sold separately. That's actually an advantage for reliability-focused buyers. You can leave it out and remove an entire category of possible problems. There is no app, flexible temperature drawer, or automatic pitcher. It simply offers useful storage in a familiar design that most appliance technicians understand. Number 2. Hisense PureSpace HRB 171N6ASE Bottom Freezer Refrigerator. This Hisense is built for buyers who need something narrower and shallower than a typical family refrigerator. It's approximately 31 inches wide and 29 inches deep, with a counter-depth body that creates a cleaner, more built-in appearance. Unlike a French door refrigerator, it uses one wide refrigerator door. That means fewer door seals, hinges, and moving sections. There is also no external water or ice dispenser. The refrigerator compartment remains at eye level, while 2 freezer drawers help separate frozen food below. Gallon-sized door storage, LED lighting, and a full-width pantry drawer make the 17.2 cubic foot interior more useful than its exterior size suggests. It is ENERGY STAR certified and sold with a 2-year warranty through Lowe's. The main concern is service coverage. Hisense does not have the same repair network as Whirlpool, GE, or Frigidaire in every region. Smart buyers should call local repair companies before ordering and ask whether they work on Hisense refrigerators. When service is available, this becomes a strong choice for apartments, condos, smaller kitchens, and buyers who want bottom freezer convenience without buying a wide French door model. Number 1. Bosch 800 Series Counter Depth Refrigerator. The strongest feature here is not Wi-Fi, stainless steel, or a beautiful interior. It is the cooling system. This Bosch uses 2 compressors and 2 evaporators. One cooling system serves the refrigerator, while the other serves the freezer. Most refrigerators use a shared system that moves air between both sections. Bosch's separated design gives each area more control over temperature and humidity. It also helps reduce odor transfer between the freezer and refrigerator. That means the frozen fish smell is less likely to visit the birthday cake. Independent testing has praised this model for stable temperatures, even cooling, and strong food preservation. Those benefits matter far more than a screen showing the weather. Bosch also places the filtered water dispenser inside the refrigerator. The automatic ice maker stays in the freezer. This keeps the outside clean while following the smarter approach of placing freezing equipment in a freezing compartment. The counter-depth body gives it a more built-in appearance and prevents the refrigerator from sticking far into the kitchen walkway. There is a trade-off. Counter-depth refrigerators usually offer less usable space than full-depth models. Large families should compare the interior carefully and make sure wide trays, meal prep containers, and weekly groceries will fit. The Bosch is also expensive. You're paying for the dual-compressor system, strong temperature control, cleaner design, and premium interior. For buyers who care about food preservation and can handle the price, those are meaningful upgrades instead of showroom tricks. The smartest refrigerator is not automatically the cheapest, simplest, or most expensive model. It's the one that matches your space, gives you the features you'll actually use, and can be serviced without turning a small problem into a month-long emergency. Watch the next valid consumer guide before making your next big purchase.